Welcome to Vridhi Finance, Misho Limited, NSE BSE IPO detail by Vridhi Finance. Frankly speaking, this company is nothing but just e-commerce. I think everyone will start own shop, online e-shop, and say add some number of channel partner, and it becomes a brand like Misho, isn't it? You can also start it. It's your wish. Anyways, they are having total number of employee 2082 full-time employee this considering. So anyways, they are having verticals like apparel, footwear, accessories, home and kitchen and furnishing, kids and baby product, beauty and personal care too. So we will say is that their company footprint over here in 2018, 1 million place order in the single month of Meesho platform. 2022 Meesho cross 100 millions annual transaction user. Meesho launch their Walmo, means Walmart. No, it's Indian Walmart. Meesho cross 5 millions place order in a day. In a day? My God. 2023 Meesho cross 500 million downloaded. 2023 Meesho launch content commerce. All about, I order this from Meesho and all this. So 2024 Meesho becomes a free cash flow positive. 2025 inbound merger of Meesho into Meesho Limited. Incorporation to Meesho Limited, they have done in 2025. So it's all about the Meesho if you are ordering anything online. So they are having the entities of the promoter group, Blaze Club Fitness Private Limited, Madden Private Limited, and Tekarch Interior LLP. Trusts, Ekam Family Private Trust, Kalpa Family Private Trust, Arwan Family Private Trust, and Nawakari Family Private Trust. Okay, so we will not go in a deep more what Meesho. I think it's enough. It is one of the fastest growing company in Indian. Intelligent people only do this kind of things. Fastest growing company, fastest growing company. So, anyways, we will speak about the IPO now. Yeah, the fastest growing company we have wrap up in a very small amount of time. So the symbol will be the Meesho. I know that number of people will get subscribe this IPO because the people know the brand, but it's not mandatory if you don't subscribe this IPO. The price range between 105 to 111 per equity share. Face value RE1, RE1 ticket size, bid lot 135. IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, JP Morgan India Private Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, Axis Capital Limited, Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, and sponsored bank is Axis Bank Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So, Vridhi Finance will give a rating to the Meesho Limited, and this will be, we will not give much rating for this company because this is the fastest growing company. The company grow fast is also dump fast. As we seen, there are number of companies did it like that way. So, or they needed time to regrow because they don't understand what happened when they got listed, how it really market trend. So we have seen number of fastest growing companies has launched their IPO. Suddenly they dump the shares into the market. Suddenly they not disappear, but they took long amount of time to regrow. So this is we will give a 2.1 for Meesho. as according to their product quality, or they whatever they literally give the discount, we will give a discount over here 2.1 out of 5. This is all about Meesho rating by Vridhivesh Finance. I know that it may hurt even the people who love Meesho, but it's all about how the market performance. We will speak about the GMP later on once this company get good amount of subscription. This can be subscribed or this can be done by the market investors even according to us, because we have seen last time there are two people came like a Grow came from the market. People knows Grow, but that is again finance company. How many people has subscribed the Grow? Forget about the subscription, but there are the number of company. Yeah, as comparing as the Meesho Limited versus Aquarius, maybe probably people go for the Aquarius, or Aquarius can give a listing gain better than the Meesho, or Meesho will give a listing gain, but but you know what, there are a number of people comes to the market. We understand that one night they becomes the charm of moonshine of the night, but then moon also decreases as day goes one after another. All about the market and their experience. So it's all about what Vridhivesh Finance given the rating. Once they becomes more and more into the profitable, we will let you know later on. We are into the market, and see, our is product is also not growing, so it doesn't matter. I mean, people should accept what we speak, because people don't accept, and that doesn't get viral even. I mean, good qualitative content maybe probably don't like it. It depends on the trending or the person who trend it. That is also matter. So Misho, probably most of the people we have seen, they are returning their materials a number of times, or they buy the product which is not having a quality. The product has been bought, but again that the not price point, that product reality is different. Okay, so it's all about, that's the reason we rated this month and this much. Okay, so that's all about Vridhivesh Finance given the rating to Meesho. I, if anyone have this opposition or deniable, say everyone can give a opinion based on a something. Maybe they don't like your product, maybe they like it the product, maybe that company perspective is a different, maybe that company have a different thing. It's all about, I think, maybe somebody give a 10 out of 20, but logically 10 out of 20 doesn't exist into the market, but people say I will give it to you 10 out of 100. So is it really worth it? Anybody can make a newsmaker do the news making, but we believe in the reality, fact, and fundamentals. So do you agree with the Meesho's rating? Or I know that one time we have rated something and that person has came to on our Quora, and he has written some in comments, and probably he's get angry with that. So I mean, suddenly that those people appears on our some of the platforms. So probably in advance we are telling that we don't have any sort of personal issue with any company or anything. We are not from the management. We don't talk like other YouTubers usually take the interviews of the company owner, chairman, or something like that. We don't connect with anyone, but factfully we think that we should have a clarity with the analysis. Our clarity may not match, but prospectively we have seen there is a number of things lacking over somewhere. So let us see what GMP will predict it later on based on Meesho's performance attracted towards the client as like that product. So thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. Hopefully you will like our IPO analysis over here, and it's all about IPO detail. So we will restart IPO detail once again. Yeah, probably this year end we will start New York Stock Exchange and a Nasdaq 100 IPO listing, I guess. So I'm not sure that I will restart this journey. So yeah, because we have seen there is a number of, there is, if we want our global presence, we should start at something new verticals. So that's the reason we are not promising because making a content takes 2 to 3 days. Even this IPO detail of Aqueous and Misho takes me 3 days to work out on these strategies. So that's the reason I'm telling to all of you. That's the reason I'm telling to all of you that probably our ideas may not meet the manufacturer businessman needs. I know that. But this is just for fun, you can think, and we are not criticizing anyone. We are just telling that, see, everyone have a different perspective. It's all about what is your own thing. Okay. So I know that people, more intelligent people may work in this sort of companies.